Namaste, people. I'm back with another one. Um, Before ngiqale, ngicela ukunazisa ukuthi ngiqale i-mentorship program. Kune-mentorship program engiyicalile ezoba khona ngoSeptember. So if you're interested, but this mentorship will run for 3 months, only 3 months. So ngizobe ngifundisa abantu abazishayele ngokutrade who want to be profitable and stuff. So sikujeni sonke, right? So mina ngizobe nginisiza ukuthi ni-understand how I trade and how you can like master lento le. Nami I'm trying to master it. I know that one day ngizoyi-master. So ngoSeptember ngizobe ne-mentorship online. So if you are interested ukufundiswa yimi, ngizobe ngifundisa vele ngale language le, unless if like khona umuntu ongeke aze understand isiZulu, yabo, but ngizozama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngiyenze ukuthi ibe simple. So i-mentorship ngoSeptember, nge-2 zikaSeptember iyaqala. If nifuna ukwazi more about leyo information leyo, you can contact me, DM me ku-Instagram or ngithinte ku-Telegram, so kuzophuma kuwo. And futhi abantwana besikolo they are about to write their exam. So mangabe ninosisi nobhuti ofunda high school, wenza grade 10, 11 or 12, you can still contact me, ngizomtutharisha, yabo. Okay, la kule video le njengoba bengishiyo ukuthi angeke ngize ngifundise on the next video. Lana ngizobe ngikhuluma nge-trading plan, the importance of having i-trading plan, why kwamele ube nayo i-trading plan. So i-trading plan ikusiza ukuthi it's like i-road map yakho, you understand? So ayikho ibhizinisi kahle kahle enganayo i-business plan, nethola. So if you can treat i-trading as i-business, you'll understand ukuthi why kwamele ube nani ne-trading plan, ne? So izokusiza ukuthi ungayenzi ama-mistakes abhaya and izokugaya i-road map, yeah, i-road map yokuthi wazi ukuthatha ama-trades a-grand and stuff. And i-trading plan futhi kusiza because i-market i-repeater into eyi-one, not into eyi-one, but i-repeater like similar pattern, nethola. So ingcondo zethu like azifani ne-market, we tend to forget izinto, nethola. So ukukhohlwa kwethu yikho lokho okukhoza ukuthi siluze kakhulu ku-market, ne? So i-market uzoyithola sometimes iyabhaya, sometimes iyasela or iya-consolidate, nethola. Yinto ehlezi yenziwa i-market le, but ingqondo yami neyakho ayiyenzi lento leyo njalo, nethola. But mangabe une-trading plan, ungakhona ukuyenza one thing every time mawuvula i-chart ufollowa your trading plan, uyayithola. And mawufollowa i-trading plan yakho njalo, lokho kuzokusiza ukuthi ubuyise i-win rate e-grand, not a high win rate. Laba abazokutshela ngiyabo 90% win rate banamanga, 80% win rate banamanga, guys. Akekho umuntu owina 90% of the time. Okay, singasho ukuthi ukhona but angimazi mina. So i-strategy sakho angeke sibe i-90%, nayithola into engizama ukuyiveza. Khona abantu abawina just 10% but ba-profitable, you understand? So ningalandeli izinto ezi-unrealistic. So ukuba ne-trading plan kuzokusiza ukuthi ukhone ukubuyisa like ama-results a-grand, uyayithola, yinto engizama ukuyiveza. So le trading plan yakho singayithatha as i-model yakho oyilandelela njalo, like a model that you follow every day when you trade, every time when you trade, uyayithola. So le model lena ngizothanda ukuyibiza ngani? Institutional order flow, order flow. So ngine document engilibhalayo, le document leli ngizolihambisa nge $3. So if ni interested, but ngizofaka i-link soon, ngizokhuluma ngayo lelo document lelo. Lona li-simplify yonke into engiyikhulumile so far kule channel le. Abanye ngithi bafunda kahle ngokubona amavidiyo, abanye ngokuzifundela, so sifunda ngendlela ezi-different network. So ngizama ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngikhiphe everything ezoba suited for everyone network. Okay, so le model lesoyibiza ngani nge-institutional order flow. Why institutional order flow? Is because i-algorithm ihamba according to the institutional order flow network. Iphinda into eyi-one every day or every time, like when the market is open network. Yeah, into eyenzayo le market. Okay, so i-model yethu ihamba kanjani? So into yokucala ozoyilinda, so it's a 4-step process model ne. So into yokuqala oyilindayo yini? I-RAID. So yini i-RAID? I-RAID it's a sweep network, a sweep of i-buy side noma ini i-sell side, sweep of buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity, sell side liquidity. Then immediately market mayiceda ukusweepa ini i-buy side noma liquidity noma i-sell side network, immediately mayiceda ukuyisweepa uyalinda ubheke ukuthi market yenzani. So kamele kufomele ini i-market structure shift network, market structure shift izosweep i-high noma isweep i-low bese iphinde ibuyele emuva i-create ini market structure shift ne. So i-market structure shift kungaba yini? UMichael wathi yini? I-market maker buy model noma i-market maker sell model network, or market maker sell model. So mangabe ivideo yakho yokuqala ukuyibukela le, angeke uzo-understand ukuthi yini market maker buy model or market maker sell model. So ungabuyela emuva kulawa amanye amavidiyo engiwayenzile, ngena ku-playlist uqale la aqala khona lama video, then you'll be fine, because lana I'm just talking about the trading plan. So then mawuceda ukubona i-market structure shift, kuleyo market structure shift le i-market izobe i-create ini, isifomele ini ama-points of interest, then uzobheka wona lawo look for the points of interest, look for, let's say point of interest yakho IFVG plus FVG, or i-order block plus FVG network. Mawuceda ukubona lokhu ubheke la i-market mangabe izobuya kulama IFVG or la izoyaphi. So uzobheka ini liquidity. So ngizoyiveza manje liquidity. So ila uzoyi-aim khona ke, aim the nearest. So ungena la, entry yakho izobe la, entry bese aim the nearest liquidity, network. So singasho ukuthi i-target yethu target ne. Okay, so into eyenzakalayo la nayo, so i-market let's say izocala yenzeni i-consolidate. So kuzobe ne-buy side ne-sell side, sithi i-sell ezoyenzeka ne. Then nayi i-rate, so this is our number one, i-rate isweepe ini ama-highs network. iswiphe ini buy side. Mayiceda ukuswipha i-buy side, liquidity, sell side liquidity. Mayiceda ukuswipha i-buy side liquidity, ulinda ukubona into ekayo. Nayithola. So yini shift, so beya phezulu then ya shift, so be-create-ile high, i-low, higher high, e-create ini lower low. So kusho ukuthi manje seya phansi. Nayithola. So this is step number 2, create ini market structure shift. Then after market structure shift, la ngivezile ku previous video i-manipulation phase. After leyo nto leyo la izokusi-create-ela i-fair value ne-IFVG or order block ne-fair value gap. Order block, fair value gap. So ila uzongena khona. So i-market mayibuya izo-create ini i-lower high. Bese wena uyangena-ke la ngani nge-sell, bese yenzeni i-sell. Then i-target yakho liquidity, so uzo-aima la sell side liquidity. Nayithola. So entry yakho ilana, target yakho ilaphaya. I hope it makes sense. So i-plan le yakho-ke, so ulinda ini i-sweep. After i-sweep ubheke ukuthi kunani market structure shift, then ubheka ama-points of interest, then u-aima ini liquidity. Nayithola. So into eyenzakalayo la. So I think ngiveze ngama-candlestick. So sine-buy side la. Okay, so ngizoveza ini i-market maker buy model, market maker buy model. So i-market beyenzani, beyisela, yasela, selling. Yeba. Okay, beyisela market. What is it? So lawa ama-bullish candle lawa engawafaki ink phakathi, ama-bullish, bese lawa angana-next phakathi ama-bearish candlesticks ne. So it was selling, selling, okay, so sinani la, let's say this is our sell side liquidity, then maybe buy side yethi la previous day high ilaphaya ne. So i-buy side liquidity, so lena yini siyibiza nge-sweep yethu le, sweep of i-sell side, sweep or i-raid, ngasho kanjalo i-raid ne. I-raid yaya phansi, i-create le high le, no isa-create low, so sibe nalo. So i-sell candlestick, then iyachubeka iyasela, sele futhi, then sibe nenteka ibuye. Okay, so i-market beyisela from la until la, so i-create le low le yathi high, lower low, lower high, lower low, mayise i-create ini i-higher high, seyi-break i-structure. Nayithola. So sesine step 2 market structure shift manje. So market structure shift. Nayithola. So kule market structure shift yethu bese sibe nentekayo. Market structure shift yethu sinani, sine-point of interest nayi fair value gap la. So nayi fair value gap bese kube nani, nayi IFVG la, nayithola. So nayi IFVG ne-fair value gap ne. So sizolinda i-price ukuthi iphinde ibuye phakathi kule lento le bese iphinde yenzeni, ichubeke, nayithola. So into ezoyenza la, so i-bullish candlestick bese sibe ne-bearish candlestick, another bearish, then bullish, yayithola, bullish. Then i-target yethu i-buy side liquidity nayo la, yayithola. So yiyo lena-ke i-trading plan. So i-plan yethu bekuwukuthi ku-buy side i-market maker mayizo-create i-market maker buy model, sizosebenzisa leya trading plan ukuthi sizolinda ini, i-rate nayi i-rate yenzekile, then silinde ini, market structure shift nayi market structure yenzekile, then sizongena kuphi, kuma-point of interest which are here, bese siyangena then iyashutha sayo-target-a ini, i-liquidity laphaya, nayithola. So into eyenzakele la, angazi niyayibona le pattern le. So i-create into eso, nayithola. So sinalona okay, sesibe ne-buy side laphaya, nayithola. So i-market structure shift, so into eyenzakele la, nayithola. Okay, so enye into engingayisho ukuthi anytime mawulindele i-market ukuthi ibhaye, ngamele ucale ubheke u-expect-e i-move eya phansi kucala, ngamele ulinde i-sell before ibhaye kuqala. So ngesiLungu sizothini, anytime a significant price higher is expected, a significant price higher is expected. Ngathi ngake ngayisho lento le. Always anticipate a move lower, always anticipate a move lower, nayithola. Every time, anytime a significant price higher is expected, always anticipate a move lower, then sizothini, a move lower, always anticipate some measure, isilungu ne. Okay, always anticipate some measure of a stop hunt on sell stops, stop hunt on sell stops, or short-term low, or short-term low being taken, term low being taken, nayithola. Iyafana nalento bengiceda kuyisho ukuthi kwamele ulinde i-move eya phansi before siya kuphi, siya phezulu, always mawulinde i-move eya phezulu. So leyo move leyo isuke ithatha ama-orders like ama-sell orders network, short term low being taken out isuke excuse isuke ithatha ama-orders then wafake ku-market, then ama-sell side orders iwafake ku-market, then it drives the market high. So lana sinani fair value gap nabo I_F_V_T network. So into eyenzakalayo la, so i-sell side ke yona like it's the lana uzothini, anytime a significant price lower is expected, always anticipate some measure of a stop hunt on the buy stops or short-term high being taken out. Mangabe ulinde ini market maker sell model network, into eyenzakala yiyo leyo. Then sorry kancane. Okay, sorry about that. So njengoba ngisasho ukuthi mangabe u-expect-e ukuthi i-market izobhaya, kamele u-expect-e ukuthi izocala isele before ibhaye, or mangabe u-expect ukuthi i-market izosela kamele ulinde ukuthi ibhaye before isele network. Okay, so yiyo le trading plan yethu. So i-trading plan ukuthi ulinda i-sweep, after i-sweep ulinde ukuthi i-market i-create i-market maker buy model or i-market maker sell model, then kuleyo market maker buy model or market maker sell model uzothola ama-points of interest, then ila ozongena kuwo lawo ma-points of interest bese uthagetha the nearest liquidity network. Then kamele ukubona ukuthi ilento i-trading plan yakho iyaspana, kamele ujenale ama-trades wakho owathathayo network. So kubalulekile nokuthi ujenale, so journaling. So ukujenala ukusho ukuthi ngibonani i-market izobhaya nani nani nani, but mina ngizosebenzisa i-template yami network. So ukuzi-understand-a wena as i-trader ukuthi ngiyi-trade njani, kamele ujenale lama-trades owathathayo, usho ukuthi ngiya-analyze ini, maybe i-G_B_P J_P_Y, ngibona i-G_B_P J_P_Y ku-daily time frame yenza so, ku-4 hour yenza so, ku-1 hour yenza so, so kusho ukuthi mina ngizoyenza so. Then mawuceda ukuyenza so, uyayilinda uyibheke ukuthi yenzani. Mawuceda uku-execute-a, maybe mangabe u-execute-ile uyilinde uyibheke ukuthi yenzani, then usho ukuthi ngingene lana, mangabe ishaya i-stop loss yangikhipha lana, then mangabe ishaya i-take profit yaphuma la, kanjalo kanjalo. Or ngingene lana ngalandelela, ngike ngabona i-market i-consolidate-a then yaswipha ini i-low, then ngalinda ini i-market maker buy model, then ngangena la ngafaka i-limit yami la, i-market yabuye yangifaka bese yashoot. Like ujenala yonke into la network, so that uzokhona uku-understand ukuthi imaphi ama-mistakes engiwayenzayo and stuff nani 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 network. Okay, so ne-thought process ukuthi bengicabangani during leyo nto. So mangabe usasemusha, immediately mawuceda uku-execute-a like your heart rate izokhuphuka nani nani nani, kuzokwenzeka izinto nje ezi-weird emzimbeni wakho. So uyazijenala nazo lezo zinto lezo network, so that uzokhona ukuzijwayela, uku-understand ukuthi kusho ukuthi as a-trader nazi izinto ozozi-experience-a and stuff network. Okay, so i-template yami ihamba kanye. So every time mangi-trader, okay manje angisayenzi lento le, bengiyenza I think back then last year, ngicine ukuyenza last year if not early this year. Late last year, yeah, late last year. So i-template bengi-check-a ukuthi Okay, ngicala la ngithi okay, i-day trading. So lana usebenzisa le template lena for ukujenala ini ama-trades wakho using ini le trading plan le lapha phezulu. So uyasho ukuthi day trading number 1, nayithola. Then ku-day trading number 1, bese utrader any pair, uzosho ukuthi oh, i-market injani ku-daily time frame. So daily price injani, is it bullish or is it bearish, nayithola. Then masewudiscover-ile ukuthi i-daily i-bullish, so uyazi ukuthi oh, i-bias yami kusho ukuthi senzani, siyabhaya noma siyasela. Then ihlala lapho i-bias yakho, let's say i-bullish. Then uyayehla ku-lower time frame, maybe let's say uya ku-1 hour time frame, uya-check-a 1 hour price yona injani, is it bullish or is it bearish. So nayo i-1 hour time frame kamele ibe njani, ibe bullish, so that zibe in sync, nayithola. Then mangabe i-1 hour i-daily ne-1 hour zi-bullish, uzoyehla uye ku, mina ngithanda u-3 minutes ne. Then 3 minutes price uya-check ukuthi injani, is it bullish or bearish, or uyayilinda i-3 minutes nayo ukuthi ibe njani, ibe bullish. Then mase i-bullish, you wait for ama-specific entry, ama-specific points of interest la uzongena kuwo khona, nayithola. Then mase zi-in sync, so so like bullish, i-daily bullish, i-1 hour bullish, then ne-3 minutes bullish, then you can execute ini i-buy, nayithola. Immediately mawuceda uku-execute i-buy, uyasho ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi kuzoyenzakala, ngibhala ama-thoughts wakho, ngicabanga ukuthi kuzoyenzakala into eso naso naso, so ngizoyenzani mina, yayithola ama-thoughts wakho. So ubonile ukuthi i-market yenzani in sync, then uya-execute-a, bese uyasho ukuthi ngi-execute i-trade la namhla, i-trade 1. So i-direction of lelo trade lelo, direction yaleyo trade leyo yini, i-buy, angithi sithe i-bullish, i-buy or long, nayithola. Then uyasho ama-reason wakho, i-reason yokuthi ngibhaye is because i-market, okay, icala la, i-reason yokuthi ngibhaye is because i-higher time frame i-bullish plus i-lower time frame nayo injani, i-bullish. So kusho ukuthi ngizoyenzani, buy long, nayithola. Then reason number 2, sibone ini, i-sweep of i-sell side liquidity. Then reason number 3, market structure or i-market maker buy model, bese sibe nani, liquidity at the top, nayithola. So ama-reasons wakho lawo ukuthi wenzeni, u-execute ini, i-buy. Then so yazi ukuthi why u-execute-ile, bese uyasho ukuthi ngingene kuphi, so sizothi yini, ama-entry and exit criteria, so ngingene kuphi, i-entry yami bekuphi, entry was at, bese uyabhala-ke ukuthi 193 point what, nayithola. Ubhala i-price le la ungene khona, bese i-stop loss sakho sikuphi, then i-target yakho ikuphi, nayithola. Then so enterile sowungenile ngisho bese uyasho ukuthi during umile ubhala ama-thoughts wakho-ke ukuthi ngicabangani nani nani nani, uyayithola. Then mawubuya uyazitshela kahle kahle ukuthi yini i-outcome yale trade le engiyi-place-ile, is it a win or i-loss? Mangabe i-win, so kusho ukuthi i-reason ye-win yakho ulandelele ini lento le, nayithola. Then mangabe i-loss uyasho ukuthi why kuyi-loss, why iluzile lento le, bese mawuceda uyasho ukuthi yini ama-takeaways wakho, yini oyifundile ngale trade le oceda ukuyithatha, nayithola. So yi-video yokugcina le bekuyi-mini, it's like a mini course nyana ne, part 1 wale mini course le. So part 2 uzodropa from ngiyacabanga kusasa, la ngizobe ngiveza khona ama-charts. So ngibonge kulaba abafike la this far, and nibe ready for ukufunda from i-price, like ngizobe ngisebenzisa i-trading view, ngizobe ngisebenzisa i-trading view. So be ready guys, and thanks for sticking until this far. And ngicela nisubscribe, ni-like ama-video wami. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, amen.